Hello students, welcome to biology classes. Today we will talk about flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are a type of vascular plants which produces flowers in order to reproduce. Scientific name for flowering plants is Angiosperms. You know these plants easily. These plants are dominant and most familiar group of land plants. From space you can see where most of the plants on Earth grow. The patches colored dark green are rainforests. They are hot, sunny, wet, perfect for trees. Grasses grow best in the areas colored yellow, which are drier. The areas colored orange get much less rain. Only desert plants such as cactus can grow there. In this garden you can see so many flowers. Flowering plants come in all shapes and sizes. It is plants like this that help to give our planet its color. Now I will show you pictures from my phone. This vibrant hibiscus, beautiful roses, these cute sunflowers, and apple tree which bears tasty fruits. Flowering plants have leaves, stems, roots, and these organs work together to keep the plants alive. Flowering plants have extra organs in flowers when they are ready to reproduce. Leaves absorb energy from sunlight and make its own food. The stem transports water and food and supports leaves and flowers. Roots hold the plant in place and absorb minerals and water from the soil. Flowers produce seeds so the plant can reproduce. And in some plants, organs have extra functions. A cactus doesn't have leaves like most plants. Instead, it has spines to protect it. Its green stem takes over the job of making food. And swollen stem also stores water to keep the plant alive. And here we can see leaf and magic magnifier. With helping magic magnifier, you can see inside of leaf. It contains green pigment, chlorophyll, as you already know, that's responsible for photosynthesis. The three plants in the photograph are different. They are not flowering plants. The mosses on the ground has no roots to take in water. Instead, it has rhizoids to take in water. Rhizoids are thread-like cells which perform function of roots. Other plants have roots to take in water and veins in their stems and to carry the water up to their leaves. They can grow taller than the moss. Moss and ferns grow in damp, shady places. They can reproduce by making spores and can only do this successfully when they are wet. Spores are smaller than the moss seeds and don't last as long. Most spores form at the ends of small stalks, while fern spores form on the undersides of their leaves. Conifers are trees. Conifers and flowering plants can reproduce in dry conditions. Conifers have cones instead of flowers. They both make seeds, and seeds can reproduce in dry conditions for thousands of years if they are cold and dry. Now let's revise the terminology that we have today. You can translate on your own these words, and by moving these words to the blue side, you can already see the translation. Fern, paprotnik, kırjapraklar, moss, möktür, mhi, жапырақ, leaf, көпше түрде leaves, ашық тұқымдылар, gymnosperms, сабақ, stem, тамырлар, roots, гүлді өсімдіктер, angiosperms or flowering plants, and тұқым, seeds. Angiosperms, бұл тағы да жаңағы жабық тұқымды өсімдіктер. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you next time.